Howdy, partner! In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a USB memory stick for your Tesla so you can use its dash cam, security cam, and personal music list playing features. This video will go over the steps for a Linux Mint or Ubuntu operating system. If you have a Windows PC or Apple operating system, click on the corresponding link below. I also invite you to click on the link below for more cool videos, free books, and 1,000 miles of free supercharging when buying a new Tesla. Okay, let's begin. First, we need to buy a USB memory stick. If you're not sure which USB to buy, there's a handy purchase link below. Please note that video uses about 5 gigabytes per hour, while music uses roughly 200 songs per gigabyte. If you don't know how much space to allocate for your music, I suggest you split your USB 50-50 for music and Tesla Cam. I also suggest that you use a 16 to 64 gigabyte USB. Also, be sure to use a USB 2.0 or 3.0 memory stick with at least 20 megabits per second write. Next, you want to install gparted. Click on Menu, type in Software, then click on Software Manager. Once in Software Manager, type in and search for gparted. Then click on gparted. Then click Install. After installing gparted, you need to open gparted. Go to Menu, type in gparted, then click on gparted. Then type in your password and username. The first time you run gparted, you want to run it without the USB plugged in. Click on List Drives in the upper right corner. You will see a list of all your drives without the USB. Then click the X in the upper right corner to exit gparted. Plug in your USB memory stick. Open gparted again. Click on the Drives tab. The additional drive you see is your USB memory stick. Click on the drive of your USB memory stick. Then right mouse click on the biggest partition. Click on Mount. Next, click Partition, then Resize and Move. Next, note the size of your USB memory stick. In this example, it is 30 gigabytes. Highlight that number, click Delete, and type in a number half as big as that. In this example, we typed in 15 gigs. Next, click on the blank after free space following. The computer should automatically populate it with the remaining memory. You now have two partitions, one for music and another for the Tesla Cam. Click Resize and Move in the bottom right corner. Next, right mouse click on the allocated partition, then click Format to FAT32. Then right mouse click on the unallocated partition. Click New. Click the File System tab, then choose FAT32. Then click Add. Finally, click Edit, then click Apply All Operations. Click Apply. After all operations are successfully completed, click Close. In one of your USB memory stick's partitions, right mouse click, then choose Create New Folder. Type Tesla Cam with a capital T and capital C. Your Tesla will use this partition to record video for the Sentry Mode and the dash cam features. Then drag and drop all your music files into the other partition. Music files have to be MP3, MP4, not lossless AAC without DRM, WAV, or FLAC. Voila! Now your USB memory stick is ready to install in your Tesla.